Hello and welcome. This is the first video of an intuitive introduction to statistics series. Statistics has become very popular, and nowadays you cannot really complete an undergraduate degree without taking a statistics course, whether the degree you are pursuing is in business or engineering or social science or even medicine. Moreover, another field has emerged recently, which is called data science, which also relies very heavily on statistics. So, statistics has become even more popular. However, a lot of people find learning statistics quite hard. So I'm making this series to provide an intuitive introduction to statistics. The focus of the series will be on building an intuition for statistics, particularly with regard to its managerial applications. So let's first understand what is most important in managerial context. In a managerial context, most important thing is decisions. Whether you are a minister or some bureaucrat in government, you will need to make certain decision. For example, you might have to make a decision how many schools or hospitals should be there in an area. If you are an executive at an airline company, you will have to make decisions like which new routes should we serve. If you are an executive at a pharmaceutical company, you will be faced with a question like this, which drug is more effective? Or if you are a manager in marketing function of any organization, you might have this question before you, which customer segment should be targeted in the campaign. So these decisions require information. For example, to decide how many schools or hospitals should be there in an area, you will first need information about the population and literacy rate of that area. To decide the question about the new airline routes, you will also need some information, for example, population of the cities uh, where you want to start a new route and socio-economic background of those cities to know whether people can afford to travel by air through your company, through your airline. For drug related question, you will need testing results. And for marketing campaign related questions, you will also need some information. For example, you might need information about the purchase patterns of customers. So this information is required to make decisions, but there are certain problems. Information we need should be in a refined form. However, such information is usually not readily available and it has to be extracted from raw facts or data. Okay, but in extracting refined information from data, you will need answers to certain questions. For example, what data should be collected? How that data should be collected? And when you have collected that data, how should it be analyzed? And uh, when you have analyzed that data and extracted information, this question is also important. How should you report those insights and information you have uh, extracted from data? So that is what statistics does. Statistics can be defined as a branch of knowledge that deals with collection, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. So, To sum it up, to make decisions, we need information. And to get information from raw facts, we need statistics. So, thank you for watching the video. More videos of this series will soon follow. Keep watching.